When you turn on the Xbox, it'll tell you to press the Xbox button on your controller. And then the A button will start flashing. That tells you to press the A button. Next, it'll ask you what language you speak, so you can scroll up and down until you get to English. And then it'll ask what variety of English, so you can say United States. The next step is to connect to the network. We're already connected to the network because we're using an Ethernet cable, but you can also use Wi-Fi. Next, it'll ask you where you live, so you can say United States. Next, the Xbox is going to check for updates. And when you see this screen, you can say Start Update. While you're waiting for the update to load, you'll see a screen telling you about an Xbox mobile app. This isn't something you need to complete the update, but if you want additional instructions, it might be helpful. When the download is finished, the next step is to sign in using a Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use the on-screen keyboard to enter your email address. If you don't have one yet, that's okay. You can click on the Get a New Email button. When you're done entering your email, the Enter key will bring you to the next screen. The next step is to enter your password and then click Enter. Then you'll have some windows asking you about options for data and security. So you can click Next. The first question is about your security preferences. So we recommend to say lock it down because this is the highest security. If you have a code that came with the Xbox, this would be the time to enter it. But if you don't have one, that's okay. You can just say, I don't have one. Then it asks if you want to buy a subscription to Game Pass, but we're saying no thank you. The next step is to adjust your time zone. So if you click on this option, we can change it. And then we're looking for Central Time Zone, US and Canada. And then we're going to Next. And it asks about energy saving options. And you can choose either one. We chose Energy Saver. Then it gives you an option of whether you want the games to automatically download. When you get to the Let's Go screen, that means you're almost done, so you can click the Take Me Home button. Then the next screen will ask you if you want to see the games in Game Pass, but if you want to get right to setting it up, you can just say got it. You can see the How to Download Rocket League video for directions on how to do that step.